More than a third of U.S. workers are part of the gig economy. More than half of millennials work a side job as delivery people, rideshare drivers, and just about anything else you can think of. So we went in search of some ideas for side hustles. You could go the entrepreneurial route. Meet David Halston. He saw an opportunity and he took it. David was visiting his mom in Seattle during those big snowstorms we had in February, when he decided to see if he could make a little extra money plowing. He placed an ad on Craigslist, and boy did it pay off, to the tune of $35,000. And now he's used some of that money to start his own landscaping and snow removal company at his home in Idaho.
And helps people just feel more connected.
You could also go the unique route. Meet Reedy. She's a professional cuddler, working between 5 and 15 hours a week, and she makes $90 an hour doing it. She's been doing this since 2015, using the site Cuddlist to book clients. Cuddlist requires potential cuddlers to go through training. She says the biggest benefit is fulfilling the need for touch and also working on boundaries.
For this, you want to have the passion. It's not about the money. Money is a side benefit that helps you keep doing it, but don't do it for money.
By the way, this isn't her only side gig. Joy is also a professional organizer and works at a naturopathic clinic. You could also go the traditional route, like dog walking. There are a lot of apps for that, including Seattle-based Rover. Rover says they have more than 300,000 dog walkers nationwide, with a third of those in the Seattle area. Just download their app, undergo a background check and review, and then once you're approved, get rolling, doing things like dog walking, check-ins, or dog sitting. Some dog walkers doing this as a side gig earn $1,000 a month. Rover says they even have people who've left their jobs to make dog walking their full-time gig.